To understand stock markets, you need to be aware of the whole system connected to it. There are stock exchanges, intermediaries, and much more. But to start with the markets, you need to know what are markets. In today's Learn with ET episode, I am going to tell you what is a stock market, what are the timings for these markets, and how shares are traded via exchanges. I'm Neha Vashisht Mahajan. Let's take a look. What is a stock market? A stock market is a place where shares of publicly listed companies are traded. A stock exchange, on the other hand, is an intermediary that connects the market with the buyers or sellers. Basically, a marketplace for individuals, brokers, or agents where they can buy or sell the shares. For example, National Stock Exchange or NSE or Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE. Now, there are two types of stock markets. Number one, primary markets, and number two, secondary markets. A primary market is where companies float shares to the general public in an initial public offering or IPO to raise capital. Once new securities have been sold in the primary market, they are traded in the secondary market where one investor buys shares from another investor at the prevailing market price or at whatever price both the buyer and seller agree upon. In the secondary market, previously issued securities such as stocks, bonds, options, and future contracts can be traded. The secondary market or the stock exchanges are regulated by the regulatory authority. In India, the secondary and primary markets are governed by the Security and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI as we know it. What are the timings for the stock market? In India, the normal timing of stock market on BSE and NSE is between 9:15 am and 3:30 pm. However, there is also a pre-opening session for traders from 9 am to 9:15 am and closing session from 3:30 pm to 4 pm. Well, that is all for today. Stay tuned to ET Markets for more.